Here goes the Mark II Ford Focus RS in the wonderful green. Flying away there with some wonderful sounds, and here comes the Ford Custom Transit. Also the classic Land Rover and the old Fiesta, and also the Bentley. There goes the Transit. There's the Land Rover. There goes the Fiesta. And also the Bentley just departing. Oh, very nice. Approaching now, we've got the Toyota GR Yaris, looking very clean there in the white and black livery. Really like that. There goes the Mark III with some beeps. It's the Mark III Focus RS, again with some really nice exhaust noises. Okay, departing now, we have a Honda Civic Type R in the red. Very nice, that one. Cool. And also departing is the blue MGB GT. Alright, so departing now, we have the green GT3 RS, followed by the Nissan Figaro. And departing now, we have the Volkswagen Golf GTI. And here goes the FK8 Civic Type R. Also got one of the Jags departing here. And the Civic revving in the distance. And also a Fiesta flying down the road. Okay, so departing now is one of the Lamborghini Huracans. Look at this. Beautiful. I also really love the wheel style on this. Of course, the rims look absolutely beautiful. Wow. Also got a pair of Lotus Elises here. And the Lambo flying off into the distance. Here they come. Nice. Here are the custom BRS kit cars departing in tandem. got the cherry red and also the red with white stripes, and also an E30 BMW 3 Series. There goes one, and there goes the other. Nippy little things those, and there goes the Beamer. Yeah, I do love those kit cars, really cool those. And I believe they're actually built quite local on Booton Camp, which is only a few miles back down the road. Okay, so here goes the Cannonball custom pickup from Ford. That's one of the F-150 Lightnings. Looking absolutely brilliant there. And coming now, we've got the green Lambo Huracan Performante Spider. Check that out. Nice. Got the Sunbeam Tiger departing there. Looking lovely as she does so. We've also got the Porsche 911 Turbo. With some flames! And some loud pops and bangs, beautiful. Okay, here go the Mudsters, starting with the Audi S4. Then you've got the MGB. Driving away in tandem, looking lovely as they do so. So there's the Audi, here's the MGB. Bit of a queue forming now with the Camaro behind. And a peep from the horn. And something revving in the distance. Here's the Camaro then. Love the look of that. And it appears it was the Rocket revving up. Check this out. A super cool custom car this. Absolutely love it. Okay, so as the sun sets here over Laxton, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Plenty of different cars here at the Dovecote in a great variety and also a really great show. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Here goes the Sunbeam Lotus Talbot. Followed by the Alpha and a Ford Escort Cosworth. Right, no, that's the Mexico in the wonderful green. There's the RS2000. There's the XJS V12. And then the new Mini JCW. Okay, here goes the brand new Mini. Very nice. Got a couple more classic Fords approaching here, followed by a Mini Cooper. There's the Mini, spookling on down the road, and some nice sounds from the Escort.